In his speech, the Prime Minister assured Egyptians that they will begin to bear the fruits of the tough austerity measures of the last few years.
The last 4 years were about creating a stable state, providing security and proper infrastructure with national mega projects to raise economic growth rates. The next 4 years will focus on a program that places the welfare of the Egyptian people at its heart and build on the previous successes.
Mad-bouly says 85% of reforms have been achieved by his predecessor. He will complete the reforms that will include more cuts in subsidies and expenditure. The government is targeting 8% economic growth, as well as reducing the budget deficit from 10 to 6%.
We must increase the number of taxpayers in the system as one form of increasing revenue. We should also fix the public administrative structure to be based on incentives on production from each state-owned institution. Besides reducing costs and expenditure, you have to raise income through more production. This comes by establishing more projects and SMEs.
A major bulk of the budget will go into social security programs and improved services for the low-income earners, to soften the burdens of austerity measures.
The Egyptian citizen will witness in the next few months evident improvement in many aspects of his everyday life, especially in the food sector, traffic, transportation, and all that is related to housing, water, sewage systems, and other services.
Adopting the new health insurance law is a priority for the government. An overhaul of the educational system is in the making, as well as providing 1.1 million housing units for the poor. The cabinet is also working on job creation programs.
We should learn from China how they manage to create work for all citizens, how they help the people to open small businesses, and this was impressive. I wish the Chinese model can be adopted here. It was successful. How to open a project for the people, even if it's a small sewing machine for a lady at home. This creates extra income for the families, and at the end helps the overall economy.
To counter the inflationary effects of the reforms, the government is establishing 6,000 outlets around the country to sell goods at lower than market price. It aims to force the private sector to push prices down. According to the Constitution, Parliament should approve the state policy and budget presented by the Prime Minister. And Parliament Speaker Ali Abdel Al announced that the Assembly will vote on the state policy after 10 days. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.